This is the start, is it?
Yeah, this is the start, and then he gets sandwiched between two cars. And then T-bone. So
Can this car still run?
inauspicious start. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, I am recording now. We can cut off this bit later. So, hi, welcome to the first ever Advanced Apologists Malaysia Racecast from one of our lame races on Assetto Corsa. My name is Chak.
My name is John.
Nice pause. I like the dramatic effect. And this is just one of
Pregnant
the
pauses.
yeah, pregnant indeed, just like our dad tummies, man. So
Oh my
this is a
God.
race that we had in Misano, which I was really keen on casting until I found out that I wasn't in it. So that kind of lowers my resolve a little bit. But okay, let's see
Just
what.
think
Let's,
of
yeah.
the end result, man. We're doing this for what reason? To be famous as casters.
Yeah, but I'd like to be famous as a racer as well, man.
Well, we'll get your video up there eventually, man. Relax.
Okay, this is the
Just have
shitty.
to-
This is the shitty ass trial run, right? Nobody's gonna watch this, so it's fine. Let's start. Okay, who's in the lead?
Famous.
Who's in the lead?
It starts with Darren in the lead, and then I chop him off with my beautifully colored McLaren.
That's so. This
Uh,
is this is Darren's car's rear view.
No, this is Dinish's rear view, and then
Oh,
he's got
right.
that RJN Jensen Button car kind of leaning on him. So
And then DT
actually,
is right behind.
DT jumped Dinish at the start, actually. So then it's the four of us for the first like 3 minutes of this video.
So pink is Darren,
Yep.
and then the Beamer is who? The Beamer is.
No, that's a Lexus RCF.
Oh, you're right. I knew that, of course, because I'm a
Yeah.
car expert. Yeah, that's a Lexus.
Yep.
So,
This is coming down to turn number 8.
okay.
So we're all coming out of that. It's still a gaggle, and then I think I'm holding everybody up. That's why DT's all over Darren. Sounds legit, right?
How
At some point in
confident
this-
do you have to be that? Okay, so just a little bit of background. Darren has a name in our group. What's that name?
Pork chop?
No, Uncle Boulier.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he bullies uncles because we're all like 40 in this race group.
Yep. So we're following currently the only Indian national in our group, which is Dinesh, and he is.
I am half Indian, so there's like 1.5 of this.
Nice diversity. So Dinesh is 40, I'm 41, and I believe John, you're 41 as well.
Yep.
And how old was Darren again? 12?
Yeah, 21 or something. 20.
Oh god, I actually don't. Yeah, I thought he was under 18.
Oh well.
Oh
I mean,
wait,
anyways,
he
so
went off.
Darren
Went
goes
off, right?
offline.
That's, yeah.
Yeah.
And
After I
oh,
tragically lost the lead.
wait, who's that? The Dinesh just overtook him, right?
Yeah, Dinesh is sort of ahead right now.
For
until...
like 2 seconds.
No. Yeah.
Oh wait,
then
then you went off. Oh,
No,
that's
I didn't
DT.
go off. DT
Whoa,
went off
whoa,
and then.
whoa! What is that? Okay,
no
okay.
assistance by me, by the way. I did not push him off track.
Oh, and you're still in the lead.
Yeah, but look at how beautiful my McLaren is. It's the only reason why I should be in the lead because I have the prettiest car.
Okay, let me ask. Oh my god, is that custom livery that you made yourself? Oh yes, of course it is,
Yes,
because it's got
yes,
big boom
of course.
power right blinking on the freaking monitor.
It's branded, bro.
I swear I never noticed that before.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Hey, Darren went off again?
Yeah, Darren has tried really hard to avoid everybody and be fast at the same time, which is kind of interesting trick. It's not something I would say it is easy to do.
This is Dinesh in third, right?
Yeah, Dinesh only does things from his camera view, I think. Much
Right.
like my other videos, right?
How selfless. I think we're gonna have to start putting together our clips. No, actually, no, Dinesh, thank you, because we wouldn't actually do it ourselves if we are left to our own devices. Nice lines
Well,
through this.
Yeah. Actually, Dinesh's copying of people's lines is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
So once he gets the hang of a line, he kind of doesn't lose it, so he's quite talented like that. And on the other hand, not
Actually,
very consistent.
like after viewing a few ACC replays on my side, I kind of lean towards the aerial helicopter view. I found that the coolest actually. Whoa!
Oh, this is the Thankit part. The other 40-year-old.
This is the start, is it?
Yeah, this is the start, and then he gets sandwiched between two cars. And then Timo.
Can this
Second
car still run?
inauspicious start. Yeah, what a cluster F.
Wow, I
So
didn't know
I think this
Grosjean
is
had that
him
many
coming out of.
kids.
Yeah, this is him going into the pits.
Oh, such a poor thing.
Were you there when I had that joke about high visibility paint, and in the end, he still got sandwiched like that?
I think it's like showing a red cloth to a bull, really.
I tell you, any ACC race where you're below 10th place in
he
qualifying.
went into somebody else's pit lane. Do you see that?
No, well, that's the funny thing though, because in ACC in the pit lane, you can't crash into someone else.
But he avoided him like a pro.
Yeah, I know.
Whose car is this now?
We're on to. Oh yeah,
Oh, he held it.
yeah. This DT's like maximum like Dory drift.
Well done, DT. I mean,
Yeah.
you lost a place, but you held it.
But that Audi was no joke though. He was quick. Yeah.
Who's this?
So I think this is
This still
DT
DT.
battling back for the spot, but he's like being pursued by like 2 other people. If I'm not
Oh.
mistaken, the
Dude,
guy in
that-
the black
the purple
and
livery is
purple,
pretty awesome as well.
it's not bad. But that guy apparently is like one of like Malaysia's or Singapore's really quick ACC drivers, like one of Darren's friends.
Then how did you qualify on second?
He didn't bother qualifying. Of course. Why else?
Of course, duh. Are you still in the lead? Oh, you're still in the lead. Well done.
Yeah. Well, this is the kind of when Darren passes me. I think this is second lap, right? Beginning of the second lap.
Oh yeah, you took a defensive line through that corner, and
That's
then you
my
took
normal
another
line. Actually.
defense. Really? Oh,
Yeah, this is my
bit-
normal lines, bro.
bit on the inside.
This is why you'll learn nothing from watching me drive. If I shave 2/10 or even a second off, it's only by sheer luck.
Oh man,
So-
he's looking aggressive.
Yeah, well, I mean, you can only be so aggressive in a pink Lamborghini, right?
No, it's he's comfortable with his manhood,
Yeah, he is.
which at 12 is a great thing, you know. Like it's amazing. Whoa!
Oh, yeah, I go wide.
Whoa.
Yeah, I go super wide because like he was all in my mirrors and all that, and then he took it.
And let me guess, you never took it back.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, sorry, spoiler. Yeah, generally when Darren overtakes you, you don't overtake him back.
It's true.
Except that one time for me at Laguna Seca, which is like the best moment I ever had in ACC. We'll show you that in a different clip. So Darren, a bit of background.
Way to plug, way to
Yeah,
plug
yeah.
that one.
Yeah, we're gonna cast that next because I look good in that one. Wait, just for people who are watching who don't know who we are, Darren is a semi-pro racer, right?
Kind of like a esports, kind of like going virtual to real in a way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a hobby for him, right? So he does some karting on the side in Singapore and stuff.
Yeah, so like we have a kind of like every 3 days we have a lap time challenge and we all try our best for like 50 laps to get a decent time. And then Darren comes in and sets 3 laps and just bullies all the uncles away. It's really demoralizing.
There are 2 people like that, but one is slightly older. At like, how old is Dan Lowe? 27?
Is he that young? I thought he was like 30s at least.
Oh no, dude, he's young.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's why he has such a bad temper.
Really? Like your temper gets tempered as you get older?
No. I mean, you get wiser when you get older, right?
I think someone forgot to tell my dad.
It's okay. I'm sure we'll all get there eventually.
And I'm sure he's never gonna watch this because race casting, like,
Yeah.
what the hell, right? Yeah.
This is Darren's fast lap, so that's. I mean, we could just banter a little bit because it's on for another 35 seconds.
What does he set?
135.9 on this lap, which is like
And what's your fastest?
36 ish.
36 and this is a 39. How is that impressive? Or you did 29?
35.9. 35.
Oh, 35.
No, but this is race pace, right? So it's not really the same as the quality kind of like balls out hot lap.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, but I mean, it was pretty quick because I think if I remember this race, I was struggling to get even down to the low 37s.
Actually, sometimes I'm happy when Darren overtakes me because then I can copy his lines behind him for at least 2 laps before he disappears into the distance.
Yeah, the worst thing is you don't want to have him behind you eating your mirrors all the time.
Yeah, it's scary, man.
Yeah, because all you do is you spend time thinking about like when is he going to pass you and all that, right?
Yeah.
And I
Yeah,
think this is where I screw the pooch.
I thought you already screwed the pooch.
Oh no! Like it's coming, it's coming. I think here we. No, not yet, not yet.
So you're a serial pooch screwer.
Yeah.
What's your nickname on our group again? I forgot.
Oh, is it Bumper Hunter or Bumper or
No, Dive Bomb. Is it Dive Bomb?
Yeah, Dive Bomb Dogra. Yeah, that's also
Dive Bomb
another.
Dogra, yeah, that's right. Yeah, and
Oh,
what's
there we
mine?
go. There we go.
Yep,
I clip
that's
the inside sausage and completely go around in circle. Oh wait, watch this. Watch this. And
what is going? Whoa! What happened to the camera, man? Even the helicopter virtual robot was shocked at what happened.
oh yeah, shocking. Oh yeah,
That was like the most fucked up car battling I've ever seen.
we try.
Well done, man. It was classy. Very
Thank you.
classy.
I think how far down the order am I now? 8? Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
So
shit.
like soon I'll be fighting with Senkid, I think.
Hey, DT made a mistake. Oh, sorry, Darren made a
Oh, this
mistake.
Darren, yeah, Darren.
Why
But
is he
he's so
pushing
far
when he's
ahead
in the
that
lead?
like it doesn't matter.
Yeah, look, the car behind him is like half a mile behind or something.
Yeah. Oh, but here
Watch.
you see like I think soon you'll see DT's like.
What's going on with DT?
Oh, Darren, you mean?
Oh, sorry, Darren. What's going on with Darren?
I don't know, man. He just sort of probably used up a lot of his tires.
Cause that I mean, we just recently took this Lambo out for some hot laps in Silverstone, and it's pretty damn stable, right?
Yeah, I think, but he was pushing it pretty hard though, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a view from.
You.
Oh, my point of view. Oh, this is when I was pressuring Dinesh at the end of the race.
How
I was
did you manage to
already-
catch up with Dinesh? You were
Oh,
so
because
far behind.
I had to repair the car after that shunt.
Also, you're one lap behind.
Yeah, or more like 2 laps behind.
Okay, anybody
So-
playing ACC, this is not ethical behavior. You should.
It is. I was gonna Ocon him and unlap myself. If you're wondering why you're seeing the right signal light. Yeah, it was a pretty close race. So I was threatening to like unlap myself, and Dinesh was like, "Come on, man." If only team radios were like that on F1.
Well, I don't think you're supposed to unlap yourself when the other two cars in front are racing, though, right?
There's no hard and fast rule. I was the faster car.
I am googling that shit right now.
And it's the last lap, so you can see I'm not getting any like sort of like blue flags signaling and all that
You
kind of stuff.
do remember when this is when like Dilo went all Hulk on me, right?
Yep. Well, I wasn't there. I was going to Penang that day, but all of a sudden, like DT messages me, and I'm like, drama alert?
Yeah, man, major. Whoa! That is a dive bomb I've ever saw one. That's such a fucking dive bomb.
It was a
Dude,
dive
there
bomb,
is
but only
no
because
way
Dinesh
you were gonna make
braked
that
too
corner.
early. No, he braked way too early. Trust me.
That's what a dive bomber would say. You braked too early. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, but you braked too early. I'm sorry, but you're slow.
I didn't take him out though. Could I get credit for that? I was a safe driver.
It feels like you bumped him a bit. Oh, was that? Okay, so, that was actually the end of the recording, and unfortunately Windows Recorder stopped recording when the clip ended. So what we were going to say is, please like and subscribe to our non-existent YouTube channel, and leave us a comment below the video on the non-existent link, right?
Yep, and try and follow us on a social media handle that doesn't exist yet for us.
Yeah. Instagram /
Or like Twitter / I don't know, or Facebook maybe, something.
Oh man, what a classy extra for this video. Okay guys, this is Chak and Jonn signing off AAM Dive Bombers. Oh sorry, the AAM Advanced Apologists Malaysia's first ever racecast at Misano for a lame race between Jonn, Darren,
You're just
Daniel,
saying lame because it's not you.
Dinesh, yeah of course, and Sinkem was somewhere in the video. I think you can catch him like 5 seconds. Yeah, see you guys, bye.
Bye.